This video I'm going to be talking about the app called Tellagami. I'm going to be comparing the LearnPad, which would be on the left. I'll be comparing it to the iPad, which would be on the right. So Android and iOS, the app is available on both of them. You can see here is what it'll look like once you first start to create your first Tellagami. Um, you can see all of the buttons on the left are pretty much the same on both of them. It allows you to customize your character, so you can go through and change from boy to girl by clicking on character. You can change the features of that person. Um, you can add backgrounds. So if you want to take a picture of something and add it as your background, you can. You can choose some of theirs that they already have made. You could also doodle a background if you would like. Um, really all the features are pretty much identical as far as being able to create and record. One of the differences that I've found so far is that when you finish your recording, the iPad is a little bit faster at rendering your video to make it shareable. Again, so just the iPad just a little bit quicker at that. The other difference that I found is when you finally get your video ready to share, the options that you have to share. So on the LearnPad compared to the iPad, when you get to the iPad, you have the option to share Facebook, Twitter. You can text it to somebody as well as email it, or you can choose to save it. On the LearnPad, you can see there's a few different options that you have. A lot of it depends on what you have installed on your LearnPad. For example, I added Hootsuite to be able to share it on Twitter. I also added the MailDroid app so that I could share via email. So a lot of the LearnPad options to share kind of depend on what you have installed on your LearnPad with your lessons. So that's really one of the big features that's a little bit different, but all in all, you can accomplish the same thing on both of them. It just comes down to a matter of the sharing options are just a little bit different depending on the device that you have. So again, all in all, it's pretty much identical on both of them. You can pretty much accomplish the same thing on both the LearnPad and the iPad.